This is the Daily Market Comment by Marios Hadjikyriacos. I'm Maria Pachordis. Thanks for joining us at XM.com. The minutes of the FOMC meeting contain no new revelations, but there was a clear sense of optimism about America's economic fortunes. While the officials highlighted the various downside risks, they also emphasized the benefits from the overload of federal spending and the impressive progress in vaccinations. The message was that things are improving quickly and that inflation will overshoot soon, but the Fed will be patient with rate increases. Policymakers believe any inflation episode will be transitory because powerful long-term forces will ultimately pull inflation back down. However, investors aren't buying this narrative. The fact is, globalization is slowing down, and more importantly, the U.S. has never done so much stimulus nor given so much money directly to people. Hence, markets fear that this inflation episode will be stickier than what the Fed expects. As such, there's a dichotomy between the Fed and markets, with policymakers signaling that rates will stay on the floor until 2024, but market pricing pointing to more than 2 rate increases by then. In the markets, the minutes helped the U.S. dollar to stage a minor rebound. While the Fed isn't telegraphing any rate increases for now, it is also not showing any concern about market pricing for rate hikes having gone too far. Elsewhere, some disappointing vaccine news has taken the wind out of sterling sales. The UK's medical regulator said people under 30 should not be given the AstraZeneca vaccine, preferring the Pfizer or Moderna jabs instead. Since the Astra vaccine constitutes the vast majority of British supplies, this has sparked fears of a slowdown in the nation's immunization program. Meanwhile, Wall Street futures are pointing to yet another record high for the S&P 500 today. Considering how dramatically the Fed's rate trajectory has been repriced in recent weeks, it is quite impressive that stock markets have performed so well. As for today, all eyes will be on Fed Chairman Powell, who will deliver remarks before an IMF event on the global economy at around 1600 GMT. Over in Europe, the ECB will release the minutes of its latest policy meeting at 11:30 GMT. This is today's Daily Market Comment. Thanks for joining us at XM.com.